Now, as we start this morning with our focus on all the national stories making headlines. The BRS leader K. Kavita, who has been lodged in Tihar jail following her arrest in on March 15 by the Enforcement Directorate, was arrested by the CBI on Thursday, which is also investigating the case. Now, today she is to be produced in the Rouse Avenue court. We are trying to connect to our correspondent on ground, Riyanka, to know more about the case. Now, viewers, just to tell you, BRS leader K. Kavita, who has been lodged in Tihar jail following her arrest on March 15th by the ED, was arrested by the CBI, who's also investigating the case. Cutting across to Riyanka, very good morning to you, Riyanka. Now, the CBI is investigating the case and they are trying to seek her remand. Now, if that's granted, she will be moved to the lockup where the CBI headquarters where the officers will question her. Is that right?
Absolutely rightly said. Well, the CBI is all set to produce BRS MLC K. Kavita, who is already lodged in the judicial custody, and we have to wait and see whether the court grants the CBI a remand of K. Kavita, because the CBI is taking care of the angles of corruption in the excise policy case. We know that the ED has already been building its heat on K. Kavita by probing the money laundering angle, but now the corruption angle is also coming forward. We know that the CBI had arrested K. Kavita yesterday, and today, any time from now, we're expecting some movement here at the Delhi Rouse Avenue court. K. Kavita will be brought in the jail van. Know that she's coming from the Tihar jail, and we will see the movement here shortly from now, and then she will be produced in front of the court. Well, if we talk about the CBI here, the corruption angles, well, the CBI had already sought the statements of K. Kavita. They had interrogated her in the judicial custody itself, and what we know from that is this is regarding the WhatsApp chats that has been recovered from the co-accused Bucci Babu, and also about some documents of a land deal after which the 100 crore kickbacks were given to the Aam Aadmi Party. Remember, the 100 crore kickbacks make a significant focal point here because that is where the South Group came into context. So we are also showing you the amount of barricading that has been done, the security as well here at the Rouse Avenue court. Anytime from now, she will be taken through this way in the jail van, and we will see if the court grants the CBI remand of K. Kavita. Then the CBI will go ahead and interrogate her in terms of the chats recovered from Bucci Babu and the land deal, and understand the money trail and the corruption trail when it comes to the 100 crore kickbacks that were given to the Aam Aadmi Party in return of favor when it comes to the implementation and formation of a liquor case. Remember, K. Kavita has been facing the setback, be it from the Enforcement Directorate, be it from the CBI now. Well, several developments took place yesterday when she was arrested by the CBI while already being in the judicial custody. So we have to wait and see what happens next, what the court observes, and will the CBI get a remand of K. Kavita. That is to be reported. We'll get you all the details.